Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm really excited to have you join me on this journey, and today, we're going to start something big, learning C++. Now, I know what you're thinking, C++? Isn't that for super advanced programmers? Well, I'm here to tell you that C++ is for anyone who's willing to learn and push through the challenges. As an African-American man just starting out in the world of coding, I want to break through the stereotypes and show you that it doesn't matter where you come from or how old you are, you can learn to code. Together, we're going to explore the basics of C++ and take the first steps on our programming journey. Okay, why C++? C++ is one of those languages that might sound intimidating at first, but once you understand the fundamentals, it becomes a powerful tool in your coding toolkit. Whether you're dreaming of building games, software, or even diving into systems programming, C++ is foundational. It's used in high-performance applications like games, think Fortnite or Call of Duty, operating systems, and even the software running in your car. C++ gives you control over how your program interacts with the hardware, which is something that many modern languages don't do as deeply. You might have noticed that tech isn't always the most diverse field. As a black man, I know there are some stereotypes that say people like me don't belong in coding. But, let's be real, this field needs us. Coding is for anyone, no matter your background. So, if you've ever thought, I can't do this, let me tell you, you absolutely can. If I can do it, you can too. So, let's dive into C++ together and build something amazing. Okay, what is C++? Alright, let's start with the basics. C++ is a high-level programming language that was created in the early 1980s by Bjorn Stroustrup. It's actually an extension of the C language, which was one of the first programming languages ever created. What sets C++ apart is its ability to allow you to manage memory directly, which means you have greater control over how things run on your computer. This is why it's used for things like games, operating systems, and other performance-heavy applications. But don't worry, you don't need to be intimidated by this right now. Over the next few videos, I'll guide you step by step through understanding C++, starting with simple concepts and building up to more advanced ones. It's all about starting small, one line of code at a time. Setting up your C++ environment. Before we dive into writing some code, we need to get your computer set up. Don't worry, it's a lot easier than it seems. The first thing you'll need is a compiler. This is what takes the C++ code you write and turns it into something your computer can understand and run. For beginners, I recommend downloading Code Blocks or Visual Studio, both of which are free and easy to use. Now, don't go anywhere just yet. Before we wrap up this video, I want you to take a moment and hit that like button if you're excited to start learning C++ with me. Comment below if you're new to coding, or if you've already been coding in another language. I'd love to hear your story. And subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials. Trust me, we're going to learn a lot and have some fun while doing it. What's next? In the next video, we'll dive straight into your first C++ program, the classic Hello World. This simple program will introduce you to how C++ works, how to set up your environment, and how to start writing your own code. So, if you're ready to take that first step, grab your computer and let's get started. Alright, thanks for tuning in. I'm really excited about this journey we're about to take, and I can't wait to see where C++ will take all of us. Remember, no matter where you come from, coding is for everyone, and I'm here to show you that we can break the stereotypes and thrive in this space. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and don't forget to take things one step at a time. See you in the next video.